thing about making games for mobile devices is that we need to keep in mind that screen sizes of mobile devices varies. Generally, the mobile screens have more width than height. We are taking our blue background image as our game size, that is 800 by 600. For this example, we will make our game size more wider proportionally, so instead of 800 by 600, we will resize the background image to 800 in width and 500 in height. This code on the screen makes sure that our game and its objects adopt the size of the mobile device it's been rendered on. Let's visualize what this code does, and then we will discuss the code line by line. 1280 into 720 is a common mobile screen size. If we can fit our game into this size, we can surely entertain other sizes too. In this example, our screen width is 1280, which is the mobile device width, and screen height is 720. As you can see, 1280, 720. Our game width is 800 and game height is 500. As you can see the difference. So if we render our game like this, it will look so small on the screen. So in order to scale it, we need to do the following. We divide the screen width with our game width, and we divide the screen height with our game height. We take the minimum value as the scale, and the game width and game height gets divided by the scale. As you can see, the height is fitting in nicely with the screen height, but the screen width has a difference of 128. So let's see how our game will look. So our game is scaled nicely with the screen size, but there is a gap. So for this gap, we will render a Kivy rectangle on top. Back to the code. First of all, we import window from kivy.core.window, and then we import color and rectangle from kivy.graphics module. We manually declare our window size to 1280 into 720. This is our screen size now. Then we give variables to our game width and height. We unpack our window size into width and height variables. Then we divide our screen size width with game's width and screen height with game height. We select the scale to be the minimum value. This scale is available for our entire script. With the if condition, we find if the width scale is more or the height scale is more. If width scale is more, then our game will match the width of screen size, leaving a gap on top. Else, if the height scale is more, which is our case, then gap will be on right side, as we just have seen in the visualization. In each case, we need to render a Kivy rectangle so that we can hide the gap. To make a rectangle, we use the blank rect properties to make an instance of this class. And we render a rectangle with this code. Furthermore, we have to multiply every game object size and position with the scale so that all the objects can scale up to every device screen it's being rendered on. Let's see the output.